Jai Gurudev students, very good morning to all of you. Today I will explain you lesson 5 of history, that is craft and industries. Students, in this chapter we will study that how the condition and the situation of craft and industries were changed during the British period. Okay, now in this the first topic is ruin of Indian industry. The word ruin means how the Indian industries or the Indian agriculture destroyed after the industrial revolution. Students, the industrial revolution were arises in European countries, so due to which the machine made goods were used in a massive way. Okay, why? Because they are cheaper than the handmade goods and they can be produced in a bulk. Okay, now because of that, the Britishers also use the machine made goods and they also produce the goods, but the silk produced in India was so good in quality that the Britishers could not compete with the Indian textiles like silk. So in 1720, the British government banned the import of Indian textiles. Okay. Before this, the Indian textiles were imported to Britain. That is, we sent the Indian textiles to Britain, but the Britishers banned that. Okay. And after that, the Britishers pressurized the farmers to produce the cotton for their textile industry. Okay, because in India we don't have the cotton textile industry during that period, so they forced the farmers to produce textile cotton for their textile industry. Okay, due to which the farmers unable to grow the food crops, so we are not able to self sufficient in the food crops. जब हमने कॉटन ग्रो करना शुरू कर दिया तो हम फूड क्रॉप ग्रो नहीं करते थे, जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, देयर विल बी अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड इन इंडिया. Okay, or we are not self sufficient in food, but Britishers don't bother about this because they have sufficient food with themselves. Okay, now what happened after that, there is a drain of wealth. That means when the Britishers were in India, they take the wealth of India and use that wealth. So in India, there is a drain of wealth. Drain मतलब कम होते जाना. ठीक है, वेल्थ को क्या करने लगे हम, कम करने लगे. ब्रिटिशर्स वेल्थ को कम करने लगे. किसकी वेल्थ को, इंडिया की वेल्थ को. ठीक है, तो मतलब ब्रिटिशर्स ने इंडिया में जब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हुआ तब उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने इंडिया का सिल्क लेना बंद कर दिया और इंडिया के फार्मर्स को प्रेशराइज किया कि वो कॉटन ग्रो करे. किसके लिए, ब्रिटिश इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए. ठीक है, अब इंडिया में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन कैसे हुआ, हाउ द इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन केम टू इंडिया. सी, in 1905 the Lord Curzon established a separate department for trade and industry. Before that there were no separate department for trade and industry. Okay, so it was the initiative of Lord Curzon. उसके बाद Britishers thought that why we not open industries in India itself, so we are much more in profit. ठीक है, उन्होंने अपने प्रॉफिट के लिए फिर क्या किया, रोड्स कंस्ट्रक्ट करवाए. ठीक है, दे ऑल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस रेलवे. क्यों रेलवे क्यों इंट्रोड्यूस किया, टू कैरी द रॉ मटेरियल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अदर प्लेस. एंड दे ऑल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस द पोस्ट एंड टेलीग्राफ. किस लिए, क्यों, for the better communication, students, right? Now, British also started, after all these things, they started the cotton and jute factories in Kanpur as well as in Kolkata. Okay? So, in the next video, I will explain you about the industries in India. Okay? Jai Gurudev.